In this video, I will be showing you how to use VSCode in VSCode. So in order to do that, you first need to head over inside your VSCode, and from there, let's explore the extensions. You can find it by clicking onto this four squares icon, or you can also do this by clicking on Ctrl+Shift+X. So click on this right here and you can see this search bar. For this case, search in here for Ru. You can also just input all of root code and you can also see this. Here's root code right here. You can click on this and from in there, proceed to click onto this install. Now trust the publisher and install this, and once it's done installing, it should be able to be available on your sidebar. So just wait for this for a little while. As you can see, it's now finished and we have now in here this new icon. It's the root code icon. So click on this right here. And once you have done that, you should be able to open right here our actual root code, wherein you can just input right here your prompts in order to actually use it directly on VS Code. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.